To obtain an OpenAI API key, you will need an email address, a credit or debit card, and access to a mobile phone number. Go to the OpenAI website, openai.com, and click Login button in the upper right corner of the screen. Sign up, or choose to log in through a Google, Microsoft, or Apple account. Fill in the required information. Next, select API. From the context menu on the left, select API Keys. Now, you will need to verify your mobile phone number. You will receive an SMS with a 6-digit verification code on the number provided, which you will need to enter in the system. Click the green Start Verification button. Enter your phone number to which the SMS is to be sent. Once you receive the message, enter the 6-digit code you received. Next, enter a name that can be used to identify the API key. For example, WordPress, if you will use it in WordPress plugins. Then, set the appropriate restrictions for the API key. Under Permissions, select the Restricted tab. You can check what each permission does by hovering over the information icon. If you want to use the API for simple queries, restrict API key just to use Model Capabilities option. Using the button on the right, switch the permission in this position to right. Then confirm the settings by clicking the green Create Secret Key button in the lower right corner. Your API key has now been generated. You can copy it using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C, or by clicking the green Copy button. To test the API, you have $5 to use on your account. If you want to use the API interface in production, you need to add a payment method and register your credit or debit card. To do this, select Settings in the left context menu, then click on Billing. To add a payment method, click the green Add Payment Details button. If you want to use the API for private purposes, select the individual option. If you want to receive invoices and the API will be used for commercial purposes, select the company option. Enter the card and organization details for which the bill or invoice is to be issued. Confirm the data by clicking the green Continue button in the lower right corner. Then go through the verification process according to your bank's procedure. That's all. We wish you successful prompts.